Hello friends, this is me Hasaraza and you are watching my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to integrate your payment gateways into your WordPress websites. So first of all I will uh, give you some introduction about what are payment gateways and what steps are involved uh, in the payment process. So if you already know, then you can skip this part. So first of all, what's involved in an online payment transaction? Usually there are three parties who involved in this process. The first of all is merchant, that is you or your website, and the second is customer who want to buy something into your website, and the third is the technology behind this process, that is the payment gateway. So according to the Statista platform, there are 42% of online shoppers that prefer to pay via credit card, 39% prefer to pay through electronic methods, and 28% prefer to pay using debit cards. So what actually payment gateway is? So basically a payment gateway is a third party tool that evaluates and processes customer payments. So the customer just need to enter their credit card information and the other basic information and leave everything behind. So there are three parties that involved in this payment gateway transaction. First of all is your website, the second is customer, and the third is company that is provides your merchant account, basically a bank company just like PayPal, Stripe, etc. So there are plenty of WordPress payment gateway plugins that people use, but here are some plugins that mostly people use in their e-commerce websites. You can use whatever you want. So here are some 7 platforms that mostly people use. First of all is PayPal, Stripe, Apple Pay, Google Pay, Amazon Pay, Authorize.net, and Braintree. So let's get into the action. This is the WordPress admin dashboard, and this is the website on which we are integrating payment or payment gateway. So this is the website developed using DB Builder on WordPress. So here we will go into the plugins, then add new. To install the payment gateway I will use Stripe payment gateway. You can use anyone, it's up to you. So search for Stripe, and here I will use this plugin. So because this is updated 3 days ago and it was updated 2 weeks ago, so I will use this. So press install now button. So the plugin has been installed. Now I'll activate this by pressing activate button. Now the plugin has been activated. Now we will configure this plugin. Either you can press this button settings, or you can also go through this way, WooCommerce, then settings. I'll go through this way. Just press this setting button. And now go to the payments tab. We want to use Stripe credit card. It's up to you. What do you want to use? It's up to you. You can add multiple payment methods. It's up to you. Either you want direct bank transfer, check payments, cash on delivery, and Stripe credit card. So in this video I'll show you how to integrate a payment gateway. So we will use Stripe credit card, sorry. Here we will enable this and then set up. some basic configurations. Just clear all Stripe account keys. You can add the title as you want. Stripe, pay with Stripe, pay with Stripe. Okay, it's good. Now we have to provide them publishable key and secret key. So just go to the Stripe, sign in. I have also created my Stripe account. If you haven't, then please you can sign up through your email. It is redirecting me to dashboard. So just go to the developers tab and then select API keys. Here are the publishable key. Just click to copy. Just click it. It is copied. Now paste it here and then reveal test key and then copy it and paste it here and just now save changes. It's done. The payment gateway is now configured and integrated. Now it's time to check whether it is integrated or not, whether it is working or not. So we will test on the incognito mode. We'll open the website and now we will purchase a product. So here are the products. I will buy this purple chair. Just click on it and here you can also increase the quantity of this product. I want to purchase one chair. Now add this product into the cart. Now just click on the view cart. You can also increase your quantity here as well. If you have the any coupon code, you can write your coupon code here. No, I don't have any. Now proceed to checkout. Here provide your details. I will provide mine. Just put some random number. Postcode 50. And then provide your email. I'm using a random email here. Now everything okay. Now we have to provide a card number. So here Stripe also provides us some test card number to test your integration. Here are some card numbers. You can use anyone. So we will use this card number and you can choose anyone. Just copy to clipboard and write any 3 digits CVC for CVC and any future date for expiry. So just paste and any expiry, any future date and any 3 digit CV number. Now place order. It's really easy. It's really easy. Just some basic steps. Let me know if you have any problem in this integration. Here we are getting a problem. We are unable to process your payment at this time. This is the issue of caches. So we can try just remove the cache. This is the caches issue. that's why we are getting this error. So just add this product, add to cart, view cart. You can, okay, good, let's go. The address is also added, so let's go. Place order, let's see. Yes, our order has been placed successfully. Here, thank you, your order has been received. This is the email, pay with Stripe, order number, and this is the billing address, this is the shipping address. No, let's see, did we receive any order here? Yes, here we has received an order. Here, just look at this, Hassan Raza, 49 seconds ago. You can also track your order here. Just copy your order number and track. Go to track order ID and email ID. Let's see here, what was the email ID? Testing gmail.com. Our order ID is 1639. Okay, the order was placed on October 3, 2021 and is currently processing. So let's change the status here. Processing to completed and update. The order is completed. Now let's refresh this page and see what is the status. Now let's see, here our order is completed. So friends, if you have any kind of confusion while integrating your payment gateway into your website, then please write comment below, and if you like the video, just like and do subscribe the channel. Thank you.